Hi there, Jeremy here. In this video I'm going to show you how to go about changing your name server. If you're looking for information on how to change a name server, chances are you have registered yourself a domain somewhere and or you have purchased hosting somewhere. Now, just to give a bit of background, I've gone to this website, howstuffworks.com, and it gives a little bit of information on what name servers are and how they work. Basically, when you get a hosting service, you're basically buying disk space on somebody's server, and that's where all of the files related to your website will be stored. Now, that particular file is usually referenced through a series of numeric numbers, IPs and whatnot, and obviously doesn't make a whole lot of sense to most normal folks. So, what a name server does is it takes that domain, like for example howstuffworks.com. It takes that domain that you and I can recognize as text, and it tells it where the address, the numeric value of that actual file is, where those files are hosted. I don't know that you really need to know much else about it unless you get to become a fancy web developer or designer. Basically, it's just a connection from your text domain name to the server location where the files are hosted. Now, to customize your name server, what you need to do is just go into your GoDaddy account. You can use any domain registrar. It doesn't have to be GoDaddy. It's just GoDaddy is one it's kind of one of the more common mainstream, and it is the one that I'm using for most of my domains. Now, once you're in there and you're signed in, you'd simply go to My Account, My Products on the right hand side. Once you're into this next screen, this shows all your different products that you have with GoDaddy. On the left hand side, just click on underneath domains, click on Domain Manager. This brings up another window which will show you all the different domains that you have registered with that particular domain registrar. Um, Now, to change your name servers, just simply click on the domain you want to change, that you need to customize your name servers for. Click on that, and then you'll be brought to this next window. On the top bar, there is a button for name servers where you can set name servers. Also, if you go down, you'll see what your existing name servers already are, and there's an option there to set the name servers as well. When this window here first pops up, you probably won't have this information, these boxes down on the bottom. And to get that, just simply click on the bottom selection. I have specific name servers for my domain. You click on that, these boxes will appear, and then the name servers that your hosting account will have provided to you can be entered there. There's only two of them. Don't put www in front, just name server number.domain.com. And again, your registrar will provide that information to you. So if you can't find it, just contact your hosting support to find out what those name servers are. Once you've done that, click OK, and give it up to 24 hours. Often it'll switch much faster. And then once that's switched over, you're ready to start managing the files on your new domain. The process is all fairly straightforward, fairly simple, and once you've done this, you don't have to do it again. It'll just it becomes automatic, and then your traffic visitors can easily find your website that you build through your hosting account. I hope that you found this video useful, and thanks for watching. Bye.